Want to easily save your videos to files on your iPhone? Let's get started. Open the Photos app on your iPhone. This is where all your media, like photos and videos, are stored. Navigate to the video you want to save and tap on it. Look for the share icon located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Tap the share icon, which will cause a menu to pop up. Scroll through the options in this menu. Find Save to Files and tap on it. Choose where you want to store the video. You can save it on your iPhone's internal storage or directly to your iCloud drive if you want to access it across multiple devices. Press Save at the top right to confirm your choice. Your video is now saved to the Files app. Here you can see your video saved as a file. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick tips.